50 praises with meanings and sentences. English is full of quirky phrases. Sometimes they sound funny, sometimes deep, but all of them carry meaning beyond the words. Let's go through 50 of the most popular ones, and I'll explain them in plain, everyday language with examples so you really feel how they're used. 1. Break the ice. Ever been in an awkward silence? Yeah, breaking the ice means doing something to make people comfortable, like telling a joke at a party. 2. Bite the bullet. This one means facing something tough bravely. Imagine finally going to the dentist after months of pain. 3. Burn the midnight oil. Staying up late to work or study. We've all done that before exams, right? 4. Hit the nail on the head, saying exactly the right thing, like when your friend sums up a problem perfectly. 5. Call it a day, stopping work because you've had enough. After cleaning for hours, you just say, "That's it, let's call it a day." 6. Under the weather simply means feeling sick, like when you just want soup in bed. 7. Kick the bucket, a funny way to say someone or something died. My old phone finally kicked the bucket. 8. Spill the beans, revealing a secret. Oops, someone told the surprise before the party. 9. Once in a blue moon, rarely, like when your dad actually cooks dinner. 10. Costs an arm and a leg, crazy expensive. That new iPhone? Yep, it costs an arm and a leg. 11. Piece of cake, super easy. Math test? For her, it was a piece of cake. 12. Cry over spilled milk. No point worrying about what's done, like when you already broke your phone screen. It's gone, move on. 13. Devil's advocate. Someone arguing the opposite side just for discussion. That one friend who always disagrees, but in a useful way. 14. Beat around the bush. Avoiding the main point. Like when someone won't admit they forgot your birthday. 15. Let the cat out of the bag. Accidentally revealing a secret. Oh no, I told her about the gift. 16. On cloud 9, extremely happy. Scoring full marks? You'll be on cloud 9. 17. Back to square one, starting over again. The project failed, so back to square one. 18. In hot water. In trouble. He skipped class again, now he's in hot water with the teacher. 19. Hit the sack. Go to sleep. After a long day, you just want to hit the sack. 20. The ball is in your court. It's your turn to decide. I've done my part, now it's your move. 21. Throw in the towel. To give up. Like when you've tried the game 20 times and quit. 22. Bend over backwards, making extra effort. Mom bends over backwards to make everyone happy. 23. In the nick of time, just in time, catching the bus right before it leaves. 24. Hit the road, to leave or start traveling. Pack up, guys, let's hit the road. 25. Jump on the bandwagon, following a trend, like when suddenly everyone buys the same sneakers. 26. Bite off more than you can chew, taking on too much. He thought 2 jobs and college would be easy? Nope. 27. Break the bank. Super expensive. A wedding can really break the bank. 28. Burn bridges. Ruin relationships. Don't fight so badly that you burn bridges with your friends. 29. Cut corners. Do something cheaply or quickly, but poorly. That's why the chair broke. They cut corners. 30. Face the music. Accept the consequences. Skipped homework? Now face the music. 31. Jump the gun. Acting too early. Like announcing results before they're out. 32. Keep an eye on. Watch carefully. Keep an eye on your bag in crowded places. 33. Out of the blue. Suddenly, unexpectedly. Your old friend calls out of the blue after 10 years. 34. Pull someone's leg. Just joking. Relax. I'm pulling your leg. I'm not moving away. 35. throw caution to the wind, taking risks. She quit her job and started her own business, bold. Up in the air, not decided yet. Our holiday plans are still up in the air. Hit the jackpot. Big success. He hit the jackpot with his new app. Go the extra mile. Doing more than expected. Teachers who go the extra mile really inspire students. Bury the hatchet. Make peace. Old enemies finally buried the hatchet. Blow off steam. Release stress. He plays football to blow off steam. By the book. Follow rules strictly. The officer handled everything by the book. Elephant in the room. Obvious problem nobody talks about. Like money issues in a family meeting. A blessing in disguise. Something bad that turns good. Losing that job was actually a blessing in disguise. Put all your eggs in one basket, risking everything on one thing. Never put all your savings in one stock. Rome wasn't built in a day. Big things take time. Be patient with your goals. Seeing is believing. You need to see proof. That magic trick? Seeing is believing. Speak of the devil, talking about someone and they appear. Speak of the devil, here she is. Time flies. Time passes fast. Can't believe it's already December. Time flies. When pigs fly. Something impossible. He'll study seriously when pigs fly. Actions speak louder than words. What you do matters more than what you say. Don't just promise, show it.